You're gonna love the 2016 Lincoln MKC. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Handle life's twists and turns from the luxuriously comfortable cabin of this capable MKC. A compact SUV with a premium feel, the MKC leverages technology to optimize connectivity for the ultimate passenger experience. Prepare to fall in love with its powerful performance and distinctive lines. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, automatic headlights, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the chance to drive an SUV that's both capable and luxuriously comfortable. This MKC brings you that and more. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.